Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And just look, guys, so many things happening right now. Battle Villa, Sygna Suit Red and Charizard, Sygna Suit, Elesa and Rotom. My gosh, so many things. And there's also a story event that's happening right now. I don't know what to start first. We'll start by getting red. And hopefully we do get red. We have quite a lot of gems to spare. Let's try this. Daily discount first. Really want to get Sygna Suit Red and Charizard like right now. Oh, please. You tease me. Please. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! We got red on the first pull! Oh my gosh, guys. This. Oh my gosh. We got red on the first pull. We got red on the first pull. This is crazy. This is just crazy. Oh my gosh. 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 Unlock level cap. I wanna do this crazy thing right now. We'll level him up in another video. But yeah, I guess we should do that in the next video. Let's just check his moves and skills pretty fast. And oh my goodness, guys. Blast Burn 178, four sync gauge, what's the term? Move gauge. Move, My Destiny drastically raises user special attack and speed, lowers the user's defense and special defense. If Charizard has a Mega Evolve, also drastically raises the user's attack. Passive skills has a small chance of reducing the user's sync move countdown by 1 when the user's move is successful. My goodness. Piercing gauge moves never miss. And move gauge refresh has a good chance of increasing the user's move gauge by 1 when a move is successful. Lucky slot or lucky skill slot lap. My goodness, I am so happy. Hopefully we get him to level 5. Hopefully we also get Sygna Suit Elesa. And hopefully we get Leaf because we don't have Leaf yet.